Alrighty guys, so we got the Nissan Pathfinder all new with, this is the blackout edition. It appears, looks very good. New styling and stuff. Check out the very nice wheels there. Fairly decent styling in the back. Let's see, can this come down? So I mean, decent rear end styling, not bad, not bad, looks pretty good. This is the nicer one because it doesn't have the weird chrome bumper, because that thing is wacky weird. You have the slide down seat up in the middle, which is very nice. Gonna head on into here. We got the interior, very nice looking door. Got some nice textures there. Wow, that actually feels fairly decent. Here to step on in. And once you're in, very nice seats, very comfortable. Got a good amount of, well, that's actually a fairly small glove compartment. Got some nice vents that are adjustable. You also have 2 different USB ports. You also look like you have the wireless charging pad somewhere down there as well. Also have very nice infotainment center, fairly simplistic. You got the nice simplistic shifter as well. Nice steering wheel, looks good. Seats are nice quality. They are cloth, but they don't feel bad. They feel pretty good. Nice dash material. Let's see, you got some nice light options. Oh yeah, so you do this and this turns on the lights in the whole vehicle. That's nice. Let's see here. Very nice, okay. We also got this right here, so some nice options there, but very comfortable seat and very easy to get in and out of just the front. So obviously the seat is moved way too far forward. Let's put that forward, there we go. And we are going to way too far back, I should have meant. And then this is the back, so just get on in here. And very nice rear seats. We got nice vents up above. We got the little light switches right there. We also have 2 different USB ports as per usual. You also have your AC controls back here as well. You also have a flap. We able to store stuff. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 cup holders in the door, or activable for cup holders as well. Fairly decent. And that's fairly decent. It's not bad. It's a little bit too low, so probably just leave that up. But I mean, awesome cup holders here on the side. Very nice view. Feels really good. So I can put my legs a little farther back, so that's about how much space I need to be fairly comfortable. So I can kind of stretch out if there's a front person in the front. No, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 possible cup holders. Yeah, you would have to have, like, it would be like a thin bottle of water in there. But yeah, I mean, that's very nice. And then you got,
look at the amount of opening too.
Yeah, there's so much there. Yeah, there's a lot of door opening. And then check it out, you got USB port to the different types. You got the same up there. You also have AC controls as well. Looks like so no seat options, but you have fan control, on, off, auto.
It's
very
a
nice
short seat, though.
Yes, but it's a very comfortable seat.
Not bad.
Sitting in it. Getting to the 3rd row. I'll just laugh myself to sleep here. That will not work out very well. But if you want it as a very nice 3rd row capable vehicle, it's really not bad. I mean, definitely looks a bit tight, but I mean, if you have small kids and stuff like that, it definitely would work out good in that instance. But it's nice. It has good styling. I like it. Very nice. So Todd was very excited when this came out, and honestly, interior-wise, I mean, that's just cloth seats.
Yeah.
That's not even the leather seats, but that's a very comfortable seat. I like it. I like the new Nissan Pathfinder. It's very nice. And also, check out those beautiful lights right there. That's cool.